everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first Valentine's Day inspired makeup look for my Valentine's Day series. Yes, you heard that correctly. I decided to make up a little series and I'm going to do the 14 days of love, where I'm going to be uploading a makeup look / tutorial until Valentine's Day, which is February 14th. Okay, I'm not backing out. I'm going to give y'all exactly what I just said. I'll be uploading a video every single day. I don't know if I'm going to upload a picture every single day on my Instagram. Not too sure yet, but I'm definitely working on my consistency. So I'm knocking out these looks for the next 2 weeks every single day. I might also upload a look on February 15th. February 15th is like Single Awareness Day. It actually is a holiday for the singles. Woo woo, y'all know. We gotta celebrate some kind of way. So we'll see about that. But I don't want to talk too much. As you guys saw by the title, this is my lazy Valentine's Day makeup look. I did a similar one for Christmas, but here's Valentine's Day, and it came out really cute, which I did say in the outro. So yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as I mentioned in the intro, this is going to be my lazy Valentine's Day look. So very similar to my lazy Christmas makeup look. So I will link that video down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. But real simple, real sweet. I went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, highlight, and contour off camera to save some time since this is like a video. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the eyes, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. Now, I did prime my eyes with my Milani concealer. Make sure you guys check the description box below to see all the products that I used to create this look today. But for my eyes, I want to keep it real simple, just like I did in my lazy Christmas makeup tutorial. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in 330 Toffee. This is the powder that I use to set my whole entire face. So I'm going to dip into that and apply it on my lid.
Take it to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me.
Alright, so now it's time to do my eyeliner. I am going to do my regular schmegular wing liner. So the liner that I'm going to be using is my E.L.F. liquid liner in black.
When you're kissing me, oh baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me, rock with me, to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Oh baby, I can't pretend.
My liner is not the best today, but you know what? That is fine. That is fine. But I'm going to try to sharpen it up a little bit because I do like a sharp liner. So I need to clean up my liner just a tad bit. So I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This is in the shade 160 Warm Tan. And I'm just going to clean up my liner a little bit. So now it's time to apply my lashes. I'll be using Lash 7 lashes. This is in the style Bambi. Now while my lashes sit and get tacky a little bit, I am going to go ahead and apply my mascara and also apply the color at the bottom. So what I'm going to do first is apply the color on my bottom lash line. So I'm going with my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the color Milk. And I'm just going to get a little bit, if I can. I'm going to get a little bit and just put it on my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with my the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this hot pink shade and apply it right on top of this white. So now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my top lashes and my bottom lash.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me.
So I am not going to apply any liner on my bottom lash. We're just going to leave it like this. So the blush that I'm going to be using is by Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This is in the shade Party. So I gotta get a lot.
Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend.
So I was gonna use my Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna use a new highlighter from Pixie that I received in one of my PR boxes. So this is the Pixie and From Head to Toe Glowy Powder. This is in the shade Wednesday. It's really pretty. So this is one reason why I wanted to see how it works. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So I'm going to use that as my highlighter. So the look is still lazy, but also, you know, kind of cute. Well, we know it's cute, but... Okay. Oh, this side is gleaming. Don't want to get too carried away. So I am going to use my Honor Roll highlighter to put under my brow because I don't want no shimmer pink under my brow.
Love you, babe.
Alright, so and now it's the final thing. I am going to do my lip. So I'm going to line my lip with a Crayon Case color pencil in Magenta. Then I'm going to use my Pop Beauty a permanent pout lipstick in Pink Tutu. And now I'm going to set my face. So, of course, I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So this completes the final look, my lazy Valentine's Day makeup look. It came out really cute and how I envisioned it, so that is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to comment down below, and make sure you guys keep a lookout on the rest of the videos for my 14 days of love, which again, I will be uploading a makeup look every single day up until Valentine's Day. I'm doing it, okay? I am giving you guys a look every single day. I'm not going to back out and none of that stuff. So please, please, please make sure your post notifications are on if they are not. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And of course, like I just said, click on that post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.